Hi everyone. So in the last video, we have seen how to create Maven application for the JUnit test cases. And we have added actually two dependencies also, that is Jupyter API as well as Jupyter Engine. So now in this video, we will see how to write the test cases. But before that, just I'm going to create a class. First of all, we need to write the application logic. So that should be within the SRC main Java. Just right click here. So I'm going to take a new class here. Okay, so to write the business logic, I can say here the application name is just I'm going to say here, sorry, that is app and just finish it. And here just I'm going to write the one simple method. Okay, so that is public. I'm going to return something here that is integer value and I'm going to take the method name is add. So here, of course, I'm going to take here the two parameters that is int a comma int b. And finally, I'm going to return the C variable, but of course I'm going to do here int C is equals to A plus B. Very simple business logic. So simply I'm doing actually addition of two numbers and finally I'm going to return the C value, the sum of the two numbers. That's it. My business logic is over. And I would like to check this chunk, the piece of code, this particular module is working or not. Okay, so for this, just would like to write the test case. So for that purpose, what exactly we need to do is just right click on your application code. So right click on the class and go to the new option. And here you can find out the test case. So just go to the others in case if you're not finding that option. Just I'm going to write here JUnit test case. Okay, so select this option, click next, and here you can find out the three options. One thing is JUnit 3, JUnit 4, as well as Jupyter. So better select the last option. This is the latest version. And after that, we need to give here the package name. But of course, this is optional. By default, it will take the same package. That is default package only. So, and the name is, so your class name is actually app and we are appending test to that one. Okay, so this is your class name, test class name. And but here it is showing actually JUnit 5 requires Java 8, right? But by default, Eclipse will take 1.5 version only. So I will show you that one. Here you can see 1.5 only it is taking. It is not taking actually 1.8. So what we can do is just click on the configure and just remove here checkbox. By default, it is showing 1.5, right? Just select it here 1.8. So that's it. And just bottom of the page, you can find out the two options. One thing is, uh, yes, I'm unable to show you that option, but bottom of the page, you can find out the apply and close option. Just select it and here just press OK. That's it. Now, so there is no error here. That's it. And click next option and you're writing the test case for the add method within the application class, that is app class. And after that, click finish. So automatically the Eclipse is generating this class that is app test, and by default it is giving some method also. Just whatever the code here we have, just remove that code. Okay, so very first step is just I'm going to write here very simple statement within the system.out.println. I'm going to say here this is sample test. Okay, so I can say here sample test and which will be ends with the semicolon. That's it. So now in case if you want to run this particular test case, what you can do is just right click here and go to the run as option, and here you can find out the JUnit test. Just select that option, right? Just click allow here. Right. So here we got actually this is a sample test. And here you can find out the one more tab that is JUnit. In case if you are getting here the green color, that means the test case is passed. And here we can see the tick mark also. So in case if the test case got failed, then you will get the different color that is red color and you'll get some cross mark also here. Okay. So now coming to our requirement, just here we have one method. I would like to test this method is working properly or not. Just I would like to write the test case for this one. So for this one, just what we can do is, so I'm going to create an object for the app class. Okay, so app or some obj is equals to new app. So just I have created an object for that one. After that, just I'm going to call that add method. So I can take here obj dot add method. I'm going to pass here the two values, that is 10 comma 20. And what is the result? Just I'm going to store in the result variable. And after that, to check that one, so there is another method, that is asset equals method. So here it will take the two parameters, that is actual parameters and whatever the method is returning, that one. So just I would like to check both are same or not. So the expected output is what? The expected output is 10 plus 20, that is 30. And just I'm going to check with the result variable. Okay, so result contains what? Whatever the output is returning from add method, the same thing here, right? Just we are checking both are same or not. So that's it. Your test case is ready. Then in case if you want to run this one, just once again go to the run and test and see here we got actually the green color and the test case also pass. But in case if you write here the different value, that is I can say here the 40. Okay, so the 40 is the expected output and the result is equals to, so actually 30, right? Just let me run once again the same test case. Just I'm going to write test, and here you can find out the red color. And if you observe carefully here, so the expected thing is 40, but what we got actually 30. So if you double click here and it will show you the complete values also. Expected output is this one, but we got 30. So in this way we can write the test cases, very simple. Just here you can find out the cross symbol in case if the test case got failed, and in case if the test case got passed, you'll get the tick mark as well as the green color also. Okay, so we will see more asset methods in the next video.